Hi, my name is Brian Robles, the author of Restoring Redemption. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the hardest parts in the workbook, and that's going to be going over page 9, the tree diagram. This is one where you can kind of get caught up in, and I feel like explaining it is going to help y'all better understand how the enemy gets you trapped where you're at. So we're going to start using the diagram. If you're following in the book, you should see this also, and it is in the workbook at the top of the page. And so we're going to kind of use that to help fill out this diagram successfully. So starting off, what we're going to do is section 1, you're going to go to the identification of bad fruit, right? So we're going to be focusing on section 1 on the top. And you're going to go through this list looking at the bad fruit. And in this instance, it refers to emotions, feelings, or beliefs that do not align with values and teaching of the scriptures. So this is what the bad fruit refers to. So you're going to circle this, the ones that you feel, and I always say whether it's in the past or in the present, to circle it and include that, because it's going to explain a lot of how the enemy has been destroying you from the beginning and how he's doing it now. So you go ahead and fill that out, and then we'll come back and we'll start into the second part. All right, thank you for coming back again, filling that out. So that's going to be the first one. So if I were to fill mine out, so you're going to kind of get an insight into what mine is, right? And some of the bad fruit that I produced in my lifetime, I'm going to put up here. I had regret, and excuse my horrible writing, shame, hate, jealousy. And I know for you perfectionists, this is bothering you that it's not capitalized, but it just shows you part of what the enemy does to you. Depression, worry, and lust. Well, actually, there's another one. There's greed. So those bad fruit, again, oftentimes we don't even know why we're doing this, why we feel this, but these are prominent ones in our life. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you believe in God or not, you will see some of these bad fruit in your life. So that's the first part. We just completed number 1, so we're going to go to the second part.